Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Cadillac CTS. This two-door coupe has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac has less than 86,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.